Welcome back on the VST channel. This here indeed is my Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max hooked up to my 43-inch TV, guys. That's for a specific purpose, but you've probably seen the title of the video, and of course I linked it also to my DualSense controller from the PS5. Now, Resident Evil, guys. This is the future of gaming according to Apple, so I want to try it on a big screen. Again, the phone is connected via HDMI to my TV, so yes, because it has USB-C. And without any further video, I'm gonna dive inside Resident Evil, and my first idea is to really see, like, is this thing playable? Will it drop frames like crazy? Will it be even close to, let's say, the experience we get on a PS5, which I really doubt, but okay, we are here to doubt and test, so let's start. And before we start, we need to take a measurement, guys. Now let me tell you something, I didn't use the iPhone for nothing. So we already have something like 37, 38, 39 degrees by just doing nothing, guys. I even didn't really start the game. Just by hooking this up via my charger, yeah, this is really pretty much what I get. And yes, I've told you, I just started a game, so yeah, I have to also download 8GB before I can continue the video. And while I'm downloading the additional 7 GB of data, please enjoy this very beautiful clock in this mode on the iPhone. Well, I've downloaded the game and I let the phone to cool a bit, so it's just like 36 degrees, guys. So now let's start it, and I'm gonna run it for the first time on my big screen and see what happens. And of course I have my DualSense PS5 controller connected, so I can really feel almost like if I'm playing a console. Now I see a very big cutout on my TV screen. I hope that this can be adjusted because it doesn't really feel all on my screen. All right, let's just see what the settings are. So we have controls, we have camera, we have the display. Let me just go. Oh yeah, there is on the display area, guys. So I can make this smaller, which is cool, and also larger. So this is it. Oh, do you want to keep this resolution? Yeah, I want. So the frame rate, guys, now we have the option, do we have a variable frame rate, 30, 60, let's go to 60. Metal effects upscaling, quality, performance, you know what, let's go for quality. And by the way, guys, graphics memory, you see only 3 GB used from 6, but you know what, I am going to just, wait, texture quality, let's just go to very high, I can go, yeah, you see, come on, what I can do, I cannot even play this game. I don't have this. So, okay, let's... Oh my god. Okay. Model quality. Let me just try to go for, you know, I want to really pump it up like as much as I can, guys. Okay, let's just use that one. Space reflections. Okay, also volumetric lighting. Let's go to high. I really want to max it out. Oh, no. All right. Shadow cache, bloom, lens flare, film noise. This, by the way, really, like, I have to tell you, it's the first time I see so many graphical settings on a mobile game. It's a whole lot of story, like how good this is gonna really work at the end. Lens distortion. Yeah, okay. So you can just see, guys, the graphical effects quality is a bit pumped to the red. I tweaked all my display settings. Now let's go on the audio. By the way, it's very good that we have the audio output device and you can choose headphones, guys, which is nice if you have headphones connected. And we have also virtual sound in case you use headphones, languages, and all of this. All right, I think we're now good to go. So I'm just gonna start for a new game. This is Resident Evil, alright, first time playing on an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple promised us the future of mobile gaming to be something like this, and now it's about time we test it on a proper 43-inch screen. Let's see how it works. And right now, honestly, that really looks impressive, guys. It's really impressive from what we can see. Technically, yeah, it feels really like a console game. The bedroom, and check the lighting, guys. It looks incredible, I have to tell you.
Well, hi there,
Is she okay?
Sleeping like a baby. That smells good. What's that?
Oh, hands off, mister. It's Churba de la Go.
Oh, and by the way, haptic feedback here, so nice touch.
You know?
Well, at least we're all together. You, me, Rose. Now, everything's gonna
Seriously? think we can just.
But you can just see, guys, there is a disconnect
It happens so
video and audio. It's not really synchronized. Oh, it's a creepy game, huh? But it's Resident Evil. I mean, that's supposed to be like this. I don't like where this is going. I can also run now, which is good. And we are outside, and I think it's okay.
Hell am I?
It's a nice sunny day, guys. And yeah, we're here. Well, let's just see what happens. Okay, just a test with these settings so you can understand what is going on. And now, guys, I'm gonna go inside the options and pump everything. Why did they incorporate really 8 gigabytes of texture quality as the memory card has only have 6, so this doesn't make any sense whatsoever. And now, where do I have off? I'm gonna put everything on, all right? Just not the film noise, depth of field as well, lens distortion, and I think that's it. So I would say now we're gonna have a slide. Oh no, but this definitely looks better. We still don't have a slideshow, I would say. Yeah, we have a slideshow. Okay, let's see if that's playable. No, this is not playable, guys. No, this is absolutely not playable. I can feel the delay and the lag, so let me go back inside options. I'm gonna go back inside the display. I'm going to reset everything, leave this like this, and you know, at least what I will do this time, I'm gonna try to put higher texture quality. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit better. I would say that's a bit better. Still a bit better. Okay. Let me just try to see what I can do here. And now it's time to take the very first temp reading on my iPhone after almost like half an hour. 43, which is not that bad, by the way. 44, right? So it's not 50, right? So it seems that Capcom really optimized this game for the iPhone, and of course the game also uses metal effects, right? So technically, even if you play it on your screen, it's probably going to be even a bit better, but let's still keep the play on the big screen because I want really to test this beast. I'm impressed with the visuals though. The only thing that I don't like is the resolution and the frame rate, but everything else feels good about this. It's not really close to the PS5. I mean, I have to tell you this, right? So I have to lie if I tell you that it's even better than the PS4. No, it's not. It's probably somewhere like PS3, to be honest with you. And that's a bit sad because apparently the game has settings that the iPhone 15 Pro Max just cannot support, like the VRAM and all of this. So why did you put there high quality textures that would require 8 G of a GPU? GPU only has 6 according to the game here, right? So my main two observations if you try to play this on a big screen is that the frame rate is not gonna be good, and also of course the resolution. I think everything else I can technically take, and if I have to compare it again with the PS5, guys, it's not even close to the PS4. What about PS5? So I'm not sure really how Apple are envisioning this. Maybe if you play this on a small screen it's gonna look great, and probably this on a Super Retina whatever display. But if you hook this up on a big screen like I did, then eventually you'll end up with having this. The game is very beautiful, the graphics are nice, everything like water and rain and all of this seems to be really very authentic. It really feels like an A premium game. The sound effects are nice. I mean, see even here, like they really put a lot of effort. And I also believe that Capcom optimized this game using the metal effects so that the iPhone doesn't go so hot, but it's just still a mobile phone, right? And I don't think that this future that Apple is promising is very bright right now, but maybe I'm playing it the wrong way. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for watching. With that said, VST over and bye.